Hi everyone, Danny Jose here, DIY guy with another do-it-yourself video, and this time it's to get your laces back through your track pants or your hoodie. This happens a lot. You pull it and it gets through, or you put it through the laundry and the laces come off. So what you do is you take the Sharpie pen and you thread the lace through the cap, tie it up, and then you basically just pull the pen through the hole, and you work the pen or the Sharpie all the way through. It just makes it easier to really thread that through. All right, so you're gonna keep stretching through, feeding the lace with the pen, and it comes out the other end, and then the lace just goes through. And there you have it.